What's up, y'all? I'm here, I guess. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to RAM in Minecraft. This should work in both Minecraft Bedrock and Minecraft Java. As you can see, I'm in Minecraft Bedrock. I guess let's get straight into it. Alright, so very basics. Let's start from the very basics of binary. So you have binary is base 2 on and off. This is gonna bother me. On and off. 1 being on, and 0 being off. So you can see this is 1 and this is 0. Or this is 1 0 1 1 0 1. Alright? But how do we store that? But it's not. Let's see. How do we store that and be able to change it whenever we like? So instead of building something, it only has just one set of programs, or read-only memory, also known as ROM. Instead of it being read-only, what if we can read it and write to it? So this is where RAM comes into play, random access memory. And it's really quite simple. So let's start off with a basic bitlock, I guess. That's what I'm gonna call it. So what this is, I can turn this lever on and off all day long. But as long as I press this button after the desired input has been selected, then it will clock in and it will say, hey, this is on, turn this light on. And then I can turn it off and clock it again, etc. So, this is a simple bit lock. All you need is 4 building blocks, 2 repeaters, 1 redstone dust, a lever, redstone torch, and whatever you want your output to be. And your output can also be modified, as I have over here, and I'll get to that later. So let me show you how this really works, I guess. So what's going on here is the redstone torch here is powering this repeater, which is going into another repeater. And for those who don't know, you can lock a repeater. So, and you have to have a repeater. You can't do redstone dust, otherwise it will not lock. And the sideways repeater has to be activated. So basically, what all this does ensures that it will keep the same output. So I can clock it in real fast, and it will not change, if you see what I mean. I hope that explained it, because I don't know how else I can explain it. So yeah. Now let me show you how to expand on this theoretically infinitely. So all you really have to do is go out 1 2 3 blocks here, and then I do 1 more, and then go out 2, and then I like to put a repeater there, block there, and with lever on the end. And then I like to put my output, and you can see this is really all you need. So now I have 2 bits of RAM, and I can clock that in, I can clock that in, etc, etc. So yeah, that's all really it takes, and you can do up to 4, well, not up to 4, but I did 4 here, and it works quite well, as you can see. So yeah, this is pretty simple. This is a pretty simple design, if I had to say so myself. So now let me show you the vertical version of this. This, I'm not even sure why you might use it, but I'm gonna show it to you anyways because you might use it for some reason. So I'll get to that last though. So here, this is my recommended version of vertical RAM. So I'm gonna come on over here and let me just prove to you that this thing works. Bam. You can see it works flawlessly. Oops. Perfect. So let me show you how to build this. So you're going to do 2 blocks, redstone dust, repeater. It's basically the same thing as before. And your torch. And don't forget your button. This is your clocking mechanism. Or your read mechanism. Read button. Okay, so we're back at the basics. Simple bit lock, as you can see. But then, oh shoot. You actually want to expand this by 1. Sorry about that. You're going to expand this by 1 more with redstone dust here. So that way you can actually make it vertical. So, then you're going to come up here. Go out some more, get your repeaters, expand 1, oops, expand 1 out towards you, or towards me, place your output, and really there you have it. Make sure that you connect them all, and you can again do this as long as you would like. So now I'm gonna do it again, I guess. Just like so. Again, pretty simple. I really like this design. I hope I can use it for something, hopefully. But I haven't really come up with anything that uses it or that might use it. So, yeah, that's that. Pretty simple. And let me just prove to you that it works. There we go. So, yeah, as I said, very, very simple, very easy to make, very compact, I would say. I mean, really, it's 3 blocks wide. You don't really need the levers. Those are just there to help you, like, just for straight up RAM, sorry. So, yeah. And then, this thing that I'm not sure why you would use it, but I'll show it to you anyways. And this uses torches for vertical wiring. So if I just go up here like so, and this also takes up way more space for less power, I would say, for less memory. So what I'm doing here is I'm counting the torches that are on by default. Don't forget to press your button. But you can see, so it looks like we're gonna have 3 bits, and I can always add more if I would like. See? But I'm not going to, because I'm lazy. So, 3 bits here, and then again, we're just gonna do our bit lock. Don't do that. Oops. So, yeah, and then you can just keep on doing that. Oops. Make sure that you only do it for the ones that are on by default. Like so. Don't know why I placed dust, but whatever. So, let me, again, prove to you that this works. Bam. But this has a bit of a delay. It's easier to see on the 4-bit version that I have here. So if I just turn these all on, and here, you know what? I'll actually add. I'll make it easier to see. See, whereas these ones all turn on at one. Oh, it'd probably help if I did that. There we go. As these all turn on at once. So, yep. There's here's my how to RAM tutorial, I suppose. So, I hope that this video helped you, because I couldn't really find any that helps me. So, I had to come up with all this on my own. I'm quite proud. So, yeah. Goodbye.